AirsoftGuide is back with Volume 2 on DVD. Of course, it gives you all the essential technical guides you'd expect, but that's not the best part. You get the takedown and rebuild guides for the version 3 gearbox, the AK-47 series, the AUG series, the G36 series, the MP5K series, the 4 most popular types of hop-up unit, and even high-capacity magazines. But better than all that has to be our guest appearances. We've got the British Army to come and put us airsofters in our place. We've got Britain's largest airsoft armoury. We've got some true firepower from America. We've got an astonishing Glock that likes a bit of abuse. We've got a fair few big bangs. And to top it all off, we've got target shooters, skirmishers and milsimmers all having fun in the countryside. Only one DVD can show you how to fix your favourite guns and explain to your parents exactly what it is you do for fun every other weekend. And that's AirsoftGuide Volume 2, out now.